Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And in this video we're going to talk about how to change text color on a Facebook story. So let's get started. After posting my video about how to add text to a Facebook story, I received a comment asking how to change the text color. So, as a first step, let's create a story. To add text, tap here. Type whatever you want. Now, to change the text color, tap the icon at the top. Good, choose the color that suits you. And once you're done, tap Done. Finally, you can share the story in normally.